Welcome to DJ TV.
E don burst o. Former governor of Ekiti State, Gov Fayose, don scatter everywhere like this o. Tinubu o, Atiku o, Peter Obi o, he open all of the yansh for this one.
Correct people, we greet una. Welcome una to DJ TV, on our WhatsApp channel, where dey sama una with ogbonge updates, breaking news, updated updates. So abeg my people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbanga. Our Facebook page, my people, make una follow us and make una dey like. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update we will carry come for una like this.
Hey my people, Fayose don scatter ground like this again o. Nobody wey no call for this one. Tinubu sef, Obi, Atiku and even Wike sef. For this video una go watch so like this una go hear where e for talk am, where e for talk say why there will be 5G governor support Tinubu and APC, and all wetin e talk concerning Atiku and Wike. This video na must watch. Una need to see, una need to hear wetin e talk, all wetin e analyse give show for China. So una go hear everything wey e talk, how e take arrange everything, why e comot, why e there wey be PDP governor come form 5G o, wetin make dem go support Asiwaju PDP APC o, everything e talk am for this video. My people, una need to see this video. Una make sure say una watch this video from the beginning to the end and hear all wetin Fayose talk for it. Make una watch.
Where do you leave loyalty? If you say you're a member of the PDP and you're saying with member of another party, when your party is still challenging the outcome of the election in court, would you say you're a loyal member of the party, or where does your loyalty lie?
Don't get it wrong. Don't get it wrong. We did not support Atiku. Don't get it wrong, oh.
So you walked against Atiku. You walked against Atiku.
100%.
And you are happy to do that because as a member of the PDP, as a leader of the PDP? Is that the right thing to do, morally speaking?
Nigeria is bigger than PDP, bigger than APC, bigger than Asiwaju himself. Let us call a spade a spade. I'm not a man that will hide my actions. I'm not the man that will hide my actions. I supported Asiwaju. You know, what's his name? Senator Dino Malai said publicly that the results from Ekiti were questionable. The answer is that I replied to Senator Dino Malai that we provided the difference. If PDP doesn't need me again, you understand, they cannot say I cannot leave. But I love the PDP, and that's why I'm no more hitting the PDP. PDP has not been fair to me. I was the only one that fought this party, fighting Buhari throughout. If I have defected to another party as a sitting governor, I will have honor, but I never did that. I am a principled man. So let me say to you, Shehu, I never worked for PDP during the last election. And telling me to go to court and start saying this, I am not a liar, I'm not a pretender. I did not work for PDP.
But is that right?
Work for two people.
Governor Fayose, is that right? As a PDP member, is it politically right? Is it morally justified for you to openly on live television, national television, to say you worked against the candidate of your party? Is that what you be telling those who are your followers to do? Isn't loyalty the name of the game?
This is not the first time I will say this thing. No, I am not a pretender of any sort. I'm not a pretender.
But I'm asking, I mean, you've said it, but is it right? I'm asking, is it right?
The reality is that I worked for Asiwaju. Asiwaju is a Southwest, is a Yoruba man of note. Asiwaju is a respectable person in the West. Let me tell you again, Shehu, today, if a northerner had won this election, you will not see those people going to the villa there. It is the time of the South. Buhari has done 8 years. When there's a problem in the society, it is the elders that resolve that problem. I am a responsible Nigerian. My position is this turn of the South. In 2015, majority of our party leaders, including the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, left the PDP and went to support Buhari. So don't let us go there. I am not a 29, 30-year-old man. Oh. If the working committee does whatever they like, there will be another set of leaders of the party someday who will understand that when you don't do the right thing, you will not get the right results.
So what is it that is it? What was it that the PDP did to you that was wrong?
The same PDP, because I said it was the turn of the South, removed my son, suspend my son, expel my son, suspended me. For a man that has suffered tremendously for PDP, Gov Fayose is my name.
For you,
I said it since last year.
So for you, Gov Fayose, it was a matter of injustice by the party, and you frowned at the fact that you and your son were suspended from the party. I mean, if the party did that, are you bigger than the party? Isn't the party supreme?
The issues are beyond my son and myself. The issue of my son and myself were later incidents. The issues are simply issues of loyalty to Nigeria and loyalty to the party. We never knew whether Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu will win the election or he will not win the election. We never knew whether Obi will win the election or will not win the election. What we simply did was to stand on the side of Nigeria. 8 years of the of the north, another 8 years of the south. If Obi had won this election, what I'm saying is what I will be saying. I'm sorry, Shehu. North under Buhari has done 8 years, and I'm telling you again, without apologies, it is the turn of the south. If PDP take actions against me, I will take them to court. Power does not stop with a political party. Already I'm in court with another matter. Every day I'll go to court. It's part of democracy. Nobody can suppress anybody's voice. And if anybody suppresses my voice, I will say things more than this. I will create more problem more than this. I'm entitled to my voice minimally, especially in matters. Our rights as a political party stopped when the rights are infringed upon at the expense of the Nigerian constitution and the interest of Nigerians. So, Shehu, not I supported Asiwaju. I joined hands to work for Asiwaju. So, the issue of myself and my son were issues of a later time.
All right,
but there were fallouts.
Yeah, let me quickly take you up. And these are some of the issues that are being raised as part of those who think the real reasons of you going to Asiwaju is because that you went to beg the president over your case in court with the EFCC. You are still answering questions over allegations of 6.9 billion fraud, which the EFCC has dragged you to court for. And that is perhaps one of the reasons why you went to the villa to beg the president. This is one of the things that your critics within the PDP had raised when they saw you at the villa.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has no powers to stop this EFCC trial. My trial has been on for over 5 years. So bringing him into that is a cheap blackmail for people who are uncomfortable. Already, there is a case before the court, reasonably hard. Will President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed tell the EFCC to stop? Or what will he say? Or will he call the judge? So we should be reasonable in our comments. And above all, this matter is before the court. It is not right for me as the defendant to start rationalizing and say things. Let us preserve the integrity of the system and leave it like that. Atiku and Obi, who won this election? I mean, we are not small boys. If Atiku and Obi cannot say, oh, it was Obi that won, or it was Atiku that won, then we are practically wasting our time. And I say this, our party was badly balkanized before the election. I'm not saying this to hit the PDP, but I'm being realistic.
Well, I mean, aren't you one of those, Governor Fayose, aren't you one of those who helped to balkanize the PDP? Because, I mean, there are those who believe that there were intentional acts of you and some of your friends to mess up the chances of Atiku and the PDP.
I did not deny that.
Yeah, but there are those who hold the view that this is perhaps for some selfish reasons too.
Whatever reason, everybody exists for a reason. You know? The reason is that I want the South to be president. I am not sorry about that. You know? North has done 8 years. It is the turn of the South. Don't let us go to all anybody. I don't care.
But if you were not supporting Bola Tinubu, would you have supported Peter Obi, since he was the southern president you were looking for?
Let me tell you very clearly now. In the G5, at our last meeting, we took the following decisions. And the decision is that anywhere Obi has upper hand, work for Obi there. That was why Benue governor worked for Obi. In Ekiti, it was Asiwaju that has the chance. I and all that believes in me work for Asiwaju. And that was the pattern at the time. There's no denying. Governor Cross Rivers and others had Obi as the major issue in their state. They worked for Obi. Don't let us deny the reality. I worked for Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu. My name is Ayo Peter Fayose Oshuko Molekuke. I cannot at this age be denying what I did. That is the truth. Do you want me to work for a party who suspended my son? It's not possible.
So
let me tell you,
I'm
not looking for position.
So if President Tinubu offers you a ministerial position, you won't take it?
I will never take it.
You will never work for this government. Is that what you're saying?
Let me tell you something small. If I want to be honest with you again, some people may not like to hear this. Any of us that has reached the age of 70, almost 65 and above, Asiwaju should tell us to go and bring our children, our grown-up children, well-educated. Already their future has been stolen. The future of these young people are already stolen. They have rolled over their time with our time. Let me tell you very straightforward. If the future is for these young people, Asiwaju, to my own view, and I share this with him, and I'm saying it again, it should be 40% for oldies like us, 30% for women, 30% for young people. So that's my view.
Did you tell the president? Did you tell the president what you just said now?
I'm not hiding myself. My view is the position of the president to take whichever way he goes. It's an advice. 40% for all cargoes. A majority have had a taste of government more than 3, 4, 5 times. Yes, they are still relevant to governance. They have a lot to offer. But young people in government must be 30% and women 30%. Asiwaju himself, Obi, Atiku promised that they will put young people into power. What you don't do to put me into power, I cannot inherit power through it. With all due respect, this is my position. I'm unchanged.
Hey, my people, not be small thing. Now, hear wetin this former Governor Fayose talk for this interview with Sheun. So, this is my anyway, my people, I wanna read this whole talk. Make una drop una comment for the comment section. Make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in the next video. DJ